Hi everybody and welcome back to Arabic with Amina. In this video we will be talking about the future tense of verbs. The main tenses of verbs in Arabic are present, past, and imperative. The future tense is not considered to be a main tense in Arabic. Instead, it falls underneath the present tense. Al-mustaqbal, the future tense. That will be the topic of this video. In order to obtain a verb in the future tense, we need to change the verb from the present tense. There are two ways to do so, and we will talk about each way. The first way is to precede the present tense verb by the word sawf. Sawf would be the equivalent to the word will in English. So if we have sawf followed by a present tense verb, we get the future tense. For example, yaktub, he is writing. This is a present tense verb. If we precede it with the word sawf, which is will, it becomes sawfa yaktub, he will write. Pretty simple and straightforward. An example using that method would be سوف أخرج من المنزل الآن. I will leave the house now. In blue, we have the present tense verb أخرج, which would be equivalent to I am leaving or I am exiting. And before this present tense verb, we put the word sawf. So now the sentence is in the future tense. I will leave the house now. The second method to obtain a verb in the future tense is to take a present tense verb and attach to it the prefix, the letter sin, sa. This also is equivalent to the word will in English. So taking the verb yaktub, he is writing, we will attach the prefix, which is the letter sin, sayaktub, he will write. Unlike sawf, the letter sin is attached to the present tense verb. Sayaktub, he will write. An example using this method would be سأعمل هذا غدا. I will do this tomorrow. The present tense verb is in blue, أعمل, I am doing. And when we attach the prefix to it, sin, it becomes future tense, I will do. So we covered both ways of how to transform a present tense verb to the future tense. We simply precede it by the word sawf, or have a prefix of the letter sin attached to the present tense verb. Both of these are equivalent to the word will in English. Yaktub, sawfa yaktub, he will write, or sayaktub. Both mean he will write, referring to an action to occur in the future. There is no difference in sawf or sin. You can use either method and it would be correct. And that concludes our lesson on the future tense of verbs.